Hello guys, welcome to Pharma Studies. Today we'll study introduction to pharmacology. Now, what is pharmacology? Pharmacology, when we split the word pharmacology, we have pharma and logos. Pharma means medicine and logos means study. So pharmacology is the study of medicines or the study of actions, mechanism, uses and adverse effects of drugs. Now, what is drug? Drug is a chemical substance which can be natural or synthetic that alters the physiological state of living organism. Drug mostly divided into two groups: medicinal drugs and non-medicinal drugs. Medicinal drugs which is used in the prevention, treatment, diagnosis of the disease, while the non-medicinal drugs that are substances used for recreational purposes, for example heroin, cocaine, as well as everyday substances, caffeine, nicotine, alcohol. Although drugs may have a selective action, there is always a risk of adverse effects associated with the use of any drug, and the prescriber should assess the balance of desired effect and adverse effect when deciding which drug to prescribe. Now, drug usually has two names: brand name and generic name. Brand name given by the company that makes the drug and is usually easy to say for sale and marketing purposes. Generic name is the name of the active ingredient. Now, pharmacology is divided into pharmacology is the combination of two words, pharmacokinetics and pharmacodynamics. What is pharmacokinetics? Pharmacokinetics is derived from Greek word pharmakon and kinesis. Pharmakon means drug and kinesis means movement. So pharmacokinetics means drug movement. Pharmacokinetics is the study of time course of drug absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Now, pharmacokinetics is what the body does with the drug. Body action on drug. We have example of paracetamol which is well absorbed after oral administration and widely distributed, extensively metabolized in liver and excreted via urine. The next is pharmacodynamics. Pharmacodynamics is also derived from Greek word which means we have pharmakon and dynamics. Pharmakon means drug and dynamics means power. So pharmacodynamics is the power of drug. Is the study of biochemical and physiological effect of the drug, that mechanism of action on organ system. Pharmacodynamics is the drug action on body, means what the drug does with the body. Example, we have loperamide. Loperamide is antidiarrheal drug that decreases the smooth muscle tone and delay the passage of intestinal content. Most drugs produce their effect by targeting specific macromolecules, often proteins.